Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to share with you how to make chicken soup in Kashmiri style. It's also known as Kokur Rass. I have taken 7 to 8 pieces of chicken. I have used chicken wings, back and neck of the chicken because it tastes best with bones. You can also use whole chicken, so it's completely your choice. It's very simple yet very flavorful recipe. I have cleaned the chicken nicely and I have taken 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, or you can also use fennel seeds, 7 to 8 garlic pearls, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, or you can take 3 to 4 peppercorns, and I have taken 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Also, I have taken half an onion which I have sliced thinly, as you can see, and I have taken water. In a pressure cooker, heat 3 tablespoons of oil, and once it's hot, I'm going to fry the onions. You can also use pan for it, but since I'm going to pressure cook the chicken, that's why I have taken pressure cooker. Now the oil is hot and I'm going to fry the onions. I'm going to fry them on medium to high flame because I want them to be brown. So I'm going to fry them till they are brown in color, while as I'll stir them in between so that they do not stick to the pan. You can also go by the slow cooking method, like you can cook it on high flame, cook the chicken on high flame for 5 minutes and then slow cook it, but I'm going to pressure cook it, so that's why I have used pressure cooker. So the onions are brown in color. Now I am going to add the chicken pieces and I am going to fry them for minimum 3 minutes. I'm not going to deep fry them because I just want the pink color to go away so that the rawness goes away. So that's it. I'm not going to exceed the frying more than 3 minutes. I'll stir it in between so that it doesn't stick to the pan, and continuously stir it. So you can see the pink color has gone away. Now I'm going to add 2 glasses of water, and the ingredients that I showed it in the beginning, all the spices that I showed you, I'm going to add it over here and give it a nice mix. I have kept the flame on high, and I'll close the lid of the pressure cooker and wait up to 1 whistle. So I'm going to cook it on high flame till 1 whistle. I'm not going to exceed more than 1 whistle because chicken usually gets cooked faster. So I'll just cook it till 1 whistle. And once the pressure is released, as you can see the pressure is released, now I'm going to open the lid and keep the temperature on low. And now here also I'm going to check the tenderness of the chicken. So with the help of fork, I'm going to check if the chicken is tender. As you can see, it's come nicely. So now I'll just slow cook it on low flame for minimum 10 minutes. As the chicken is nicely done, so I'm not going to exceed more than 10 minutes. If your chicken is not tender, you can exceed it. You can just cook it up to 15 minutes on low flame. I'll cover the lid. After 10 minutes, you can see the chicken is done. Now I'm going to serve it in a bowl and enjoy it when it's piping hot. Thank you. Please like and comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching Yakja TV.